how to sign in to BambooHR Employee Account. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial. In order to log into BambooHR Employee Account, open your preferred browser and in the search bar search for www.bamboohr.com. You will be led to the official webpage of BambooHR. BambooHR is an online human resource management system designed to make it easier for small businesses to manage their HR information. Here you will see the login button on the top of the page. Tap on that. You will be led to the company portal. Go ahead and enter your company domain name in the text box you see there and tap on the continue button. You will now be asked to enter your employee password. So type in your password and further follow the simple on-screen prompts until the end, and this is how you can log in to BambooHR Employee Account. After logging in, you can go ahead and access the features like tracking time, off onboarding performance management, and much more. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.